Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Online Python Code Editors, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language, and getting started with coding is easier than ever thanks to online Python code editors. These editors provide a convenient platform for writing, testing, and running Python code without the need for any installations. In this tutorial, we'll explore the features of a popular online Python code editor and provide a hands-on example to help you get started. For this tutorial, we'll use repl.it, a user-friendly and feature-rich online code editor. Open your web browser and navigate to repl.it. To save your progress and access additional features, sign up for a free account on repl.it. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, click on the plus new replace button on the top right corner of the page. Select Python as the language for your new replace. Let's write a simple hello, world, program to test the code editor. In the code editor, replace any existing code with the following. To execute the code, click the green Run button located at the top of the page. You'll see the output in the console below the code editor. Explore additional features such as collaboration, version history, and real-time editing with friends. Repl.it also supports a variety of languages, making it a versatile platform for coding in different environments. Online Python code editors like repl.it provide a convenient and accessible way to start coding without the need for complex installations. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of using repl.it, writing your first Python code, and running it. Take advantage of the features these platforms offer to enhance your coding experience and streamline your learning journey. Happy coding! ChatGPT.